Hello everyone, good evening. So I'm here today with the MPPSC GK revision because as they are having the Madhya Pradesh people are having the PSC their assistant professor examination. Recently we had some MPPSC live revisions that we had regarding with the paper 2. But today I came here with the GK revision, that is general knowledge regarding with the Madhya Pradesh area. So we'll have revisions on their topics. So everyone on YouTube and also our students on MBPSS and browser course, everyone, I think you're here. Welcome everyone. We'll have a discussion on the GK sessions. Okay, can we go one by one? We'll have question one by one. Yeah. Which historical period does Indragarh site in Madhya Pradesh mainly represent? Gupta period, is it Mauryan period, or is it Rajput period, or is it Harappan period? Can tell the answers on the chat box and I will discuss it here. So which period that you think that the Indragarh site in Madhya Pradesh mainly represent? So the answer is Rajput period. It is in the 10th to 12th century. Rajput period, it is 10th to 12th century is the answer. In which year was Indore's first textile mill established? So Indore, every time you're hearing with the news of this Madhya Pradesh, every time Indore will be there. It's a very popular city among the cleanest city and all. When it comes to the cleanest city and all, Indore will have the prize every time. So Indore, in which year was Indore's first textile mill established? Yes, the first textile mill was established in 1866. In 1866, please remember the date. It was established in 1866. Which river flows through Ujjain and hosts the Kumbh Mela? Kumbh Mela, it's very important celebration over the North India side. So Kumbh Mela. So it's Kshipra, Narmada, Betwa, or Chambal. These are the important rivers which flows through the Madhya Pradesh. So you need to have idea about the rivers and their significance. Shipra, Narmada, Betwa, and Chambal, which river flows through Ujjain. Ujjain is a very popular city among Madhya Pradesh and hosts the Kumbh Mela, which is a yeah. The answer is Shipra. I can see the answers on the chat box also. Shipra, very good. The answer is Shipra. Okay. So the next question: where is the Indian Institute of Forest Management located? IIFM, Indian Institute of Forest Management located. Is it in Indore? Is it in Bhopal? Is it in Jabalpur or is it in Ujjain? Where is the Indian Institute of Forest Management? So maybe like in the exams they can ask certain important place there where they are located. Maybe like some defense headquarters or something like that. ISRO if it is there. So this is also an important uh, institute where we have Indian Institute of Forest Management. It is located in Bhopal. Okay, it is located in Bhopal. Okay, not in Jabalpur. It is located in Bhopal. Okay, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, it is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Definitely, Indian Institute of Forest Management is located there. Betul district is located in which mountain range? Is it in Vindhya range? Which mountain range? Vindhya range, Aravalli range, Satpura range, and Maikal range. Betul district. Maybe like the pronunciation, maybe not that right as you pronounce it in your state, but Betul district is located in which mountain range? Is it Vindhya, is it Aravalli, or is it Satpura, or is it Michael range? Aravalli ranges are recently, they have gained so much of importance. So you can expect questions on that. That's what the answer is Satpura range. The answer is Satpura range. Okay. So please learn about all these ranges. Definitely you'll have questions from these, which mountain range and all. Definitely nowadays these mountain ranges are gaining importance, right? Whose mortal remains are preserved in Sanchi Stupa. So Sanchi Stupa is an important national monument where you can see Sanchi Stupa was there in one of the uh, our currency notes also. So, which mortal remains are preserved? Whose mortal remains are preserved in Sanji Stubas? Is it Ananda or and Rahula and Upali and Kashyapa, Mahakatyayana and Shubhati and Sariputta and Mahamokalana? Okay, so which is the answer that you have for this? Sariputta and Mahamokalana. I think most of them answered that. So that is the right answer. Great, that is the right answer. Yes, and coming to the next one, the Madhya Pradesh government declared which year as the year of agriculture to boost farming initiatives and productivity? So recently, the Madhya Pradesh government declared which year as the year of agriculture. So in order to boost farming initiatives and productivity, the Madhya Pradesh government has declared a specific year as year of agriculture, which is that. So you know that it is a recent trend because the answers are recently 23, 24, 25, and 26. Yes, I can see the answers in the chat box. Which one do you think it is the answer? It is 2026. Okay, it is 2026 because this year is the year of agriculture for to boost farming initiatives and productivity. It is 2026. Okay, remember that. So there will be questions because as it is a current affair, there will be definitely questions from year of agriculture when it is started, what is objectives and all. Definitely read extra. In Madhya Pradesh, Jal Mahotsava is celebrated in where? In which? In Mandu, in Hanumantia, Panna, and Parsley. In Madhya Pradesh, Jal Mahotsava is celebrated in which one? Mandu, Hanumantia, Panna, and Parsley. Definitely you know the answer. These are really easy questions just to revise, but have an idea that, just read extra about all these. That's very important. Okay, because you can have questions from the answer is B only, Hanumantia. You are telling the answers right. Very good, very good. I can see the options in the chat box. Good going. Next one. Which of the following tribes of Madhya Pradesh are known for the Pithora art? Tribal groups are very important in the case of Madhya Pradesh. When you learn GK, tribal groups are very important. You need to learn the different types of tribe because the tribal population is more in Madhya Pradesh. So you need to have different, you need to study about the different types of tribal groups. Hmm? Bil, Khorba, Santal, Pantal, and all. You need to learn. That's what. Yeah, the Pithora art is famous in a Bhil group. Bhil tribal group. Bhil, I think the most number of tribe is from this group, Bhil group. Bhil, okay. Next one. Which region of Madhya Pradesh receives the highest rainfall? Highest annual rainfall. Is it Gwalior, is it Rewa, or is it Jabalpur, or is it Mandla? Probably you know that it won't be Gwalior because it's a dry land, maybe probably a dry land where we have Gwalior, we get less rainfall in Gwalior, but which is a region of Madhya Pradesh receives the highest rainfall? Highest one. The answer is Mandla. Mandla is the region where the Madhya Pradesh gets the highest rainfall, not Rewa. Who is eligible for the Lata Mangeshkar Samman? It is an award given by the Madhya Pradesh government. So Lata Mangeshkar Samman. Is it for classical dancers, sports personalities, playback singers and music composers, and poets and writers? You want to think of who's Lata Mangeshkar, in which part or which area Lata Mangeshkar was famous for? So definitely you can have the answers. Is it classical dancer or is it sports personalities or is it playback singers and music composers or poets and writers? So definitely it is playback singers and music composers is the right answer. Playback singers and music composers is the right answer. Which national park in Madhya Pradesh is known for white tigers? Is it Pench National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, Panna National Park, and Sanjay National Park? Which national park is known for the white tigers? White tigers. So it's very important. National level importance is there for white tigers. Yes, it's Bandhavgarh National Park. It's Bandhavgarh National Park. That is the right answer. Bandhavgarh National Park is the right answer. Which national park is famous for the swamp deer? Swamp deer. Bharasingha. Swamp deer. Is it Kanha, Panna, Satpura, or Pench? See, these national parks, Madhya Pradesh have a lot of national parks. So these national parks are very important and you need to learn at least one famous animal from that national park. Even anything other famous also, it's good. But it can be easily related and learned. That's mandatory when you learn general knowledge also. So it is seen in Kanha National Park. Swamp deer is seen in Kanha National Park. Which city of Madhya Pradesh has a cluster dedicated to the production of transformers and allied products? So where the production of transformers and allied products is happening in Madhya Pradesh, which is dedicated. So definitely that will be more in that place. It's in Indore, Gwalior, Bhopal, and Jabalpur. Production, so many, there are cities called diamond cities and all in Madhya Pradesh. So Indore, Gwalior, Bhopal, Jabalpur. So the answer is Bhopal. The answer is Bhopal. Okay, the city in Madhya Pradesh which has a cluster dedicated to the production of transformers and allied products is Bhopal. In the year 1948, which state came into existence after the merger of Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand? Is it Malwa Pradesh? Is it Vindhya Pradesh? Is it Baghel Pradesh? Or is it Madhya Pradesh? So definitely this is a question which is connected with the history. So in the year 1948, which state came into existence after the merger of Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand? Is it Malwa Pradesh or is it Vindhya Pradesh or is it Baghel Pradesh or is it Madhya Pradesh? Which is a name that is more familiar with you? That's what. Yes, the answer is yeah, that's the right answer. It is Vindhya Pradesh. Vindhya Pradesh is the right answer. Vindhya Pradesh is the right answer. What type of performances are featured in Tansen Samarao in Madhya Pradesh? Tansen Samarao in Madhya Pradesh. Is it folk dance and storytelling or is it dance performances only? Is it drama and theater or is it vocal and instrumental music performances? Which type of performance? The answer is vocal and instrumental musical performances. Who has been appointed as a brand ambassador for Mamta Abhiyan by the Madhya Pradesh government? Mamta Abhiyan. So these government schemes are very important. You need to learn, you need to have an idea on these government schemes. So who has been appointed as a brand ambassador for Mamta Abhiyan by the Madhya Pradesh government? So is it Abhishek Bachchan or is it Sachin Tendulkar, Madhuri Dixit or Ranbir Kapoor? Yes, I have the answers on the chat box. It's Madhuri Dixit. It's Madhuri Dixit. Okay, next one. Which of the following characteristics is not correct in reference to the black soil of Madhya Pradesh? Black soil of Madhya Pradesh. So geographically also you need to have some idea because it's a GK portion. So you need to have an idea of politics, history, geography, economy even, right? So not a characteristics. So not a correct reference. So black soil is also known as cotton soil. Black soil is highly retentive of moisture. Black soil has high sand content. Its structure is cloudish but occasionally friable. So the answer is, which is not a reference, is actually to the correct black soil of Madhya Pradesh. It is not it does not have high sand content. That is the idea. Okay. So the next one. In which of the following tourist place the statue of Varaha is found? Bhojpur, Nevdi, Asapuri, and Rajwada. Which of the following tourist place the statue of Varaha is found? Bhojpur, Nevdi, Asapuri, and Rajwada. The answer for this question is Asapuri. Shabnam Mauzi Bano, India's first third gender politician, hailed from Madhya Pradesh. And what was the constituency of Shabnam Mauzi Bano? So Shabnam is the first third gender politician hailed from Madhya Pradesh. So which is the constituency? This in-depth question can be asked. Not the direct name, but here you need to understand about the constituency of that person. So that is a great idea. So that should be also there. That in-depth reading should be there. The answer is Sohagpur is the answer. Sohagpur is the answer. Great. So that was a small session on the GK revision. I'll come with more sessions on the paper and also for the GK sessions. So learn